like getting his tongue and like dragging it across my entire face. You're a good boy, huh?
You give me a face wash so I don't have to wash my face tonight? Yeah?
You look good though.
I want to lay down again and she'll do
You guys look like just two black blobs. He's trying to...
She likes to gnaw on my hat too. No! You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Is he sitting on you? You have on all black and he's black, so it's like, it's almost like black and white.